Welcome to the Magnetic Wizard of the 123 and the story of the atomic galaxy of Trion. Drawing number 1. The Triton 4 Father, Mother, Child 19 Shadow Wheel, or in short, the T4 FMC 19SW. The Tritonians know this drawing to be proof that the Creator has created everything in the universe. When first shown to the Tritonians, they thought it to be false. Later, many found it to be entirely correct and changed their minds and behaviors accordingly. Others that were stuck and would not let go of their false beliefs remained in their ignorance until their passing from Triton 3. The younger and future generations of Tritonians desired truth. They desired peace. They desired fairness for themselves and others. The T4 FMC 19SW helped them find the pathways to achieve those desires. For hundreds of millions of years into the future and hundreds of millions of years into the past, the following events can be found on the T4 FMC 19SW. The 19 times 33 FMC shadows that align with the center of the galactic disk of the atomic galaxy of Trion. Cycle K, or cycle number 1, and all FMC 19 shadow points that occur in its 18.03 year or 6,585 plus 1/3 day cycle time. Cycle R, or number 2, is the most important cycle to understand of all the cycles within the Triton system. Cycle R is both a Sun cycle and a T4 FMC 19SW cycle. Its time duration is 594.99 years or 18.03 years times 33. Cycle K times 33 equals cycle R. Cycle R is the governor of all cycles within the Triton system, including the rotational times and orbital times of all the spheres within it. Cycle R has a half cycle time of 297.495 years. In this time period, Triton will have a magnetic peak and high and a magnetic peak low. Cycle R will have exactly 54 solar cycles, with each cycle having an average time duration of 11.0183 years. The FMC 19 number 27F is a shadow marker for cycle R high, and the cycles of Y, T, O, and N at their high, low, and 3 and their beginning and midpoints. All time durations given for cycle K and R are averages over an exact time period of 29,749.5 years, which is 1/2 of cycle Y. All cycles within the Triton system, including rotational and orbital times of spheres, will come to their exact average cycle times every 1/2 of cycle Y, or 29,749.5 years at the beginning and midpoint of the cycle. All planets and their moons will align in a straight line with Triton, including Triton 3 and Triton 4, creating the FMC 27F shadow upon Triton 3. This will occur 12 times during the cycle's time duration. The first alignment will occur in the fall of the cycle. This will be at a 90-degree angle to the galactic plane center. The second alignment will align to the galactic plane center 4,958.25 years after the first alignment. The third alignment will occur at 90 degrees to the galactic plane center 4,958.25 years after the second alignment. The fourth alignment will occur at 180 degrees or directly across the galactic plane center 4,958.25 years after the third alignment. This will now be winter of the cycle. The fifth alignment will then be back in its original position at a 90-degree angle to the galactic plane center. This will not be the new fall of the cycle. This will be explained in full detail in another video. Cycle Y will also show all the geomagnetic excursion times over its 59,499 year cycle time. Cycle Y, or number 3, has a time duration of 59,499 years, or 594.99 times 100. Cycle K times 100 equals cycle Y. All Triton 3 geomagnetic pole excursions are found within cycle Y, including excursions with short time duration polarity reversals. Cycle T, or number 4, has a time duration of 1,963,467 years, or 59,499 years times 33. Cycle Y times 33 equals cycle T. Also, all the extended time duration magnetic polarity reversals of Triton 3 are within cycle T. These are the magnetic flips. Cycle O has a time duration of 64,794,411 years, or 1,963,467 years times 33. Cycle T times 33 equals cycle O. The disk of the Triton system and the disk of the atomic galaxy of Trion will align at every 1/2 of cycle O, or every 32,397,205.5 years, and will do this 6 times as the Triton system completes one orbit around the atomic galaxy of Trion, with a time duration of 194,383,233 years. Cycle N has a time duration of 2,138,215,563 years, or 64,794,411 times 33. Cycle O times 33 equals cycle N. All of the following can be found in the cycles of Y, T, O, and N, the beginning, midpoints, and ends of all cold periods, hot periods, and warm periods. Hot, warm, cold, warm. That has to do with the ice ages, if anybody didn't catch that.